we are a little bit confused. We are a little bit confused because from our point of view, the nomenclature, the pangalan, the title framework agreement seems to be very misleading. We think of a framework as a parameter for the discussion, parameter that we lay around which our discussion is going to revolve. But now it is already a full-blown agreement. And there are provisions that are not very clear to us. For example, the identity. The Bangsamoro identity said the Bangsamoro identity are only confined to those who were here before the colonization. So in other words, about 30 million Christians are not included in the Bangsamoro initial people of Mindanao. Now, it is going to create a problem because while in the provision of rights, no one will be deprived of his properties. Pero when you are not a Bangsamoro, meaning you have no right to land, to whatever you are now in position with. So, magulo. Hindi masyadong klaro.
Do you think the Philippine government violated the international law?
They have an agreement with us. And because they have an agreement with us, they are supposed to honor that agreement. Taking for granted that they say that they have implemented it already. But they are not supposed to violate it by removing what they have given. So, magulo ito, hindi pa klaro. Well, I hope that the President has thought of this very keenly, very deeply, because this can plunge the whole country again into the quagmire of war. Kasi marami ang ayaw doon. Muslims themselves does not agree because hindi tama. May maraming mga bagay ang hindi tama. So, kailangan muna iwasto ito. Where can you get an agreement which will say that they will ask the government to amend the Constitution to accommodate this agreement? Saan ka maghanap ng ganyan? Anong klaseng negotiations na ginawa? Na dapat noon pa binago na ang Constitution. So, maraming mga hindi tama doon sa framework. They claim that they have implemented. No.